lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making chicken tomato stew, which is very quick and easy to make. Yeah, so I have everything here. I have my steamed chicken, then I have the chicken stock, which contains all the seasoning inside. Then I have chopped fresh tomato, onion, garlic and pepper. Then I have tomato puree and my oil. Yeah, so let's get frying, okay? I'll start with my chicken first. I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown. I think my chicken is ready, so I'll take it out. Now I'm going to add in the chopped onion and garlic. Stir till it's translucent. I'm adding the puree. Stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll add in my diced tomato and Scotch bonnet to it. Then now I will stir till the diced tomato is a bit dissolved. Yeah. Now I'll add in my chicken stock, which has all the spices and the seasoning. So I'm not going to add any seasoning or spice. I'll just add a pinch of salt. I'm also adding the chicken to the stew. Now I'll let it cook till the stock is a bit absorbed in the stew. Yep. Now I think my stew is done. You can serve it with rice, anything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.